This is fucking amazing.
I pretty much fucked up my old blue bebop.
And I sent it to repairs.
And Parrot didn't repair it at all.
Just send me another one. A new, in the box, and open, like this. Let's fucking open this thing.
Hello everybody, today I'm very happy. My blue bebop has returned, but not the same. Parrot sent me a brand new one. Everything new, Sky Controller, Parrot Bebop, everything. In the sealed box. So now I have two bebops, the Bebop 1 and the Bebop 2. And I'm going to fly for the first time this new Bebop one, but I don't know because the weather is changing at any minute. Now it's sun, but I can see clouds, dark clouds coming in there. And the weatherman said at 10 o'clock a.m. will rain. Now it's 9 o'clock a.m. Let's see if we can fly or not. And I forgot to say thanks Parrot. Merci beaucoup Parrot. Let's roll. Take a look at this, brand new. And open. The good old blue bebop. Fresh. Stick this thing. Nice. Yuck. Wait a second. Let's put a new fresh battery. I'll take this out. Take a look at this. Don't put the trash in the ground. So we put the trash here for later. Take it out to recycle. Damn it. Over. Okay. Let's see. In July 2015 was here for the first time with the Bebop 1. Now, today is March 2016. I'm gonna fly this one for the first time outside here. Okay. Brand new batteries, charged yesterday or something. Let's see. Okay, it's on. I have to calibrate the thing too. Come on, what takes us so long? It's connecting. Okay, it's already connected. That's nice. No, this is not well fixed. The weather is changing radically. There, dark clouds are coming in. Gotta do this fast, I think. Oh, the good old sky controller. Take a look at this weather. Let's see. What the hell? It's connected, but I'm gonna turn it off, I think. Turn it off. It's almost raining. Long time to do this. Working, but it's not connected. Of course. I hate so much time. I got it. It connected. What the hell is this? What in the world is this? I got it now. Come on. Everything is green. Let's fly it for the first time. Oh no, I forgot something. I got to calibrate this thing. Shit. Forget that. Calibrate. No. Okay. I put the foot on it. Jesus. And it's raining. And it started to rain. I'm gonna calibrate and finish the rain. Take a look at this. The weathermen are got abort or something. Let's see. I don't give a shit. I'm gonna fly anyway. Or not. I'm gonna fly a little bit. There's a lot of wind. Missed this so much. Let's take a selfie. It's twisted. Doesn't stay at one place. Let's see. Okay. Just for fun. It's really raining. Shit, it's goddamn fast. No lagging video on us. Okay. I'm going to get out of here. It's raining. It's enough for this. It's really raining. Good. It's in circles or something. I'm gonna get out of here. Okay. Okay, it's raining. Get out of here. Get the hell out of here. Damn weather. Damn fucking weather. To abort this. Fuck. Jesus. It's 9:22 and it's already raining. Earlier than they so said.